welcome back to another What I Eat in a Day vlog. Today is Friday. I have got some work to do this morning. I'm actually jumping on a call for a real estate company, Ray White. So I'm going to kind of talk to the group and give them I've got a slideshow to go through, and then we're going to open up to a Q&A, just basically telling them basics of holistic health and trying to get them, you know, more knowledgeable in nutrition and wellness so that they can begin to implement things in their life that will improve their health and wellness. So I'm actually really excited about that. I don't know, obviously you wouldn't know this, but I actually have worked in commercial real estate for 10 years and this year is 7 years with Ray White. So I work for them remotely now, 3 days a week. So when we moved to the Gold Coast, I kind of changed my role a little bit and I've been doing some marketing stuff, working with different agents and doing that all from home, which has been such a blessing to be able to continue to work with them because they're such a great company. And it gives me the flexibility to still do my nutrition work. And yeah, so I've just been working a lot. So I do the content side of things, I do the nutritionist side of things, and then I also do that. So I'm a busy gal, but this morning I've got that. I'm doing a 45-minute session with them. Then I've got some filming to do, and then I'm actually going for a late lunch for my girlfriend's birthday. That's at Coolangatta. So I've got to meet her at her house at 12:50. So I've kind of got a bit to do this morning, get stuck into it. I've just got to have some brekkie, and actually this morning, I'll catch you up. This morning I didn't go to the gym or do a workout or anything, so I didn't really have much to film. I kind of just took Chilli for a walk, a little bit of a longer walk, and then I made my paleo bread and yeah, just got ready for the day because I didn't work out because I actually got laser tattoo removal yesterday on this tattoo. I'm getting this tattoo on my collarbone removed because I'm just sick of seeing it. I got it when I was very young and just I just don't want a tattoo right there. I don't like how you can see it all the time, and the vibe of 2025 is just going and doing things that I want to do and not putting things off. So yeah, I'm getting that removed. It was quite painful, but it didn't last very long at all. So they said I couldn't work out for 24 hours. So I was like, okay, cool. So I just went for a walk. And yeah, now I'm going to make brekkie. We have the classic scrambled eggs. So good. But I have paleo bread instead, which I made this morning. So let's go make breakfast. Little fresh loaf of paleo bread that I baked this morning. Got our eggs, avocado, and rocket. And we're going to make some scrambled eggs. Here we have it, the paleo bread toasted with my amazing scrambled eggs, salt, pepper, chili flakes, rocket, and avocado. I was having a spelt sourdough for months, but I've had this weird kind of rash. It's the perial dermatitis on my chin, and that's been since October. So I've decided to just not have that because it does have gluten in it, and I'm going back to the paleo bread, so I'll definitely have to see if that makes a change in switching to this. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited to eat this. Time for my vitamins. I've got beef liver, fish oil, vitamin B, ADK, and Lactoferrin. 30 minutes after brekkie, I will have a coffee, and I put collagen in it. You can kind of see it's like that is the collagen, because Dave has forced me into putting my coffee into the freezer to make it icy cold, which is good. So I don't add the ice. I'll just fill it with water and then add it to the freezer, and it gets really cold, and then I'll leave it in there for 30 minutes and then I add the ice and have it. And the reason why I wait 30 minutes after eating is because sometimes coffee and tea and even red wine, because they have these things called tannins in them, it can block the absorption of some of the food you're eating. My health coach taught me that, so thought I would share with you guys. So if you want to enhance the absorption of some of the nutrients in your foods, just wait 30 minutes to have your coffee after eating. just checking in. I feel like I've literally been speaking non-stop for the last 2.5 hours. I did my webinar with Ray White and it was so much fun. Everyone seemed to be really engaged. I had a few questions asked at the end there. I really love doing stuff like that. Then I just went into filming and just talking to the camera, voiceovers, all that kind of stuff. So yeah, I feel like I've been talking non-stop, but I want to check in with you guys. So it is now 11:36. I have to work out what time I need to leave. So I probably need to leave within the next hour. So I need to do my hair and get changed and stuff before I go to Ali's birthday lunch. But lunch is at 2 and obviously we're not going to be eating at 2. So I think I'm going to make something small as a little snack so that I'm not starving when I get to lunch. I'm not super hungry right now, but I know by 2 o'clock I might be quite hungry and I'd rather not arrive at lunch super hungry. So I might make a small snack to have now. I'm not sure what that will look like, but you'll find out. And yeah, then I'm gonna get ready to head to lunch. And yeah, it should be really fun. I've never been. We're going to Pippis at Coolangatta. But yeah, can't wait. And then yeah, I'll just be chilling for the afternoon. And then tonight for dinner, we're just gonna have a lighter dinner, which is just burger bowl. I love the burger bowl. I've probably done it on the vlogs before, but it's so good. It's literally just like rocket, avocado, pickles, brown onion, mince, and air fried sweet potato. And oh, it's so good. I love it. And it's like nice and light. So make that for dinner tonight. And yeah, also I have to show you the protein ice cream. Hopefully I have time to show you the protein ice cream that I made. Oh, it's so good. I just actually filmed the voiceover because I'm gonna post a reel for it probably this weekend. But yeah, that recipe, so good. I'll post it on YouTube Shorts as well. But yeah, let's get a wriggle on because I need to go. And also this is quite tender. It's honestly tender. And now I'm like, okay, well, what can I wear today? Because I need to wear something that covers it because it's really red and a bit icky. So I'll have to figure that out. Anyway, let's go. Okay, I'm on my way to lunch. I actually didn't get time to have a snack, but I'm honestly not hungry anyway. So I'm just gonna wait for lunch. That's fine. I really don't love what I'm wearing. I don't know, I'm just not feeling myself, to be honest. My hair just isn't it at the moment, so love that for me, but hey, I'll just roll with it. I brought a clip to put my hair up if I'm really freaking hating it, and I also brought a hair tie just in case I want to literally put it up. But yeah, I'm wearing like this set. It's like a matching long skirt, and I feel like a flowy skirt, it's just not it on me. I don't know why I keep wearing this. Every time I wear it, I'm like, I don't really love this. Anyway, it was kind of like a last minute thing because I honestly went to get changed and I was like, what am I even going to wear today? Literally had no options. So I just went with this. I really need to do a wardrobe refresh, but here we are, wearing something I'm not really a fan of. That's fine. We just act confident, because when you act confident, you can just pull it off. That's what one of my friends said. Girl, you can pull off anything with confidence. I'm like, so true. You just act confident and you look great. So that's what I'm going to do, and it made me feel better about myself. But anyway, just checking in. I'm going to go to Ali's now, and then I'm going to go with her to lunch. I think it's called, I want to say Pippis. I'm not sure if I've even said that already, but yeah, I'll show you what we end up having. So pretty. Hi, girl. And like holding all the devices. that little dessert. So all the other girls got the set menu, and then I just got the steak just to be safe. I just kind of wanted something really easy. I didn't really want to go for the, oops, sorry about the lighting. I didn't really want to go for the set menu and just like all the things, so I just went with the steak, and it was delicious, honestly. And the little dessert, because yeah, that's what I was getting at, because the girls got the set menu, they all had a dessert, and the waiter, bless him, was like, oh, I can bring you out a dairy-free version, and it was made with coconut cream instead of cream. So it was like this passion fruit pavlova made on coconut cream with this little like passion fruit sorbet. I probably ate like maybe half or 3/4 of it, or maybe 2/3 of it. And yeah, it was delicious. Passion fruit slays. Love passion fruit. I never really go for passion fruit stuff, but it was really good. It was just like, yeah, quite sweet, but it was yummy. Enjoyed, and I'm heading home now. It's like 5:30. I'm not super hungry, obviously, because we had a late lunch. So I think on the menu is burger bowl, which I think I said to you guys, but I'll probably just have a small serving of it because it's quite light anyway. So yeah, that is the plan. And then just gonna keep it super chill tonight. It's Friday night. I think that Dave and I are gonna do park run tomorrow, which will be fun. I'm thinking about doing just like an Instagram reel, like a TikTok or something for my first park run. I've ran 5Ks before, but I've never ran at like any kind of event like that, like a park run where you're like measured, or like a race or anything. And he has wanted to do a park run for ages, so I might do that tomorrow. So it'll be early night anyway. But yeah, I think I've just got to do like a couple of little work things tonight, and then I think we're going to be watching Night Agent. We only just got into it. We just finished season 1, and now we've just started season 2, and I'm liking it, to be honest. So I think that we will watch that tonight. I don't think I'm gonna get the Vanilla Ninja Creamy out, I'm sorry, but I might just show it to you guys anyway. And in my next What I Eat in a Day vlog, I will show you how to make it. I have no idea how good the lighting is here, but the sun's setting. This is dinner. I have made it because Dave, well, we made it because Dave's keen to eat, but I'm probably just gonna like not eat this right now because I'm not super hungry. But I just gave myself like, yeah, a little bit smaller serving than I usually would, but I still wanted to make sure I had something. But yeah, this is the little burger bowl. It's actually so yum. Can't really get good lighting on this. But yeah, I'm just going to wait a little bit and then I'll eat this because it's still pretty early, so. Bless you. Sorry. And I will definitely show you guys the ice cream that I made. Okay, this is the ice cream. I'm not actually going to eat it right now, or I might actually eat whatever I scoop out just to show you. But I just wanted to show you guys what it looked like. And I will leave the recipe in the description of the video anyway. But let me show you like just how creamy it is. Like, oh, so good. Like, look. Oh, it's still kind of like hard. But when I made it, like, oh, dude, that's so, it was, oh, it's literally like a soft serve. When I made it fresh from the Creamy, it was literally like a soft serve. So good. Anyway, I'm gonna have this and we're gonna watch Night Action. Oh my god. So good. I'm also just gonna have my supplements now. So these are the ones that I have. Fish oil, beef liver, and Lactoferrin. So that's the Lactoferrin I take to help with my iron. And then I take this MyWayUp organic liver. I actually have a code for MyWayUp as well. So I'll put the code, I think I get 15% off. So I'll put the code in the description for that. And then I just have the Pillar Performance Ultra Omega. So I take 1 in the morning, 1 at lunch, 1 at dinner. And then, so I'm having those now. And then just before bed, I'll have this. I have 2 scoops of this. Triple magnesium. I'm gonna have this because I got my tattoo removal, and because it can kind of impact your immune system because your body's like trying to like go to where the laser's just been. Like your body's trying to repair the cells around the laser. So I'm like, okay, I'm just gonna add some Ultra Immune C for now, and also add in GI Revive. That's what Vic, my health coach, has me taking. So I have that just before bed as well. So that will be like just before I go to bed, but I'm gonna have these now so they're closer to dinner. I like taking these supplements close to dinner just to help with absorption. But that's it for the night.
May it prove useful. Here, hello.
Yeah. You shouldn't be on your own.
I'm used to it.
I don't want to be alone right now.